India continues to see a surge in COVID cases with the sharpest spike in infections in at least the last 10 months. The 7-day rolling average of daily cases has risen by as much as 39% during this period, with the country logging 43,000 new COVID cases, including 197 deaths in just 24 hours. In fact, 86% of the active cases are only from 7 states. Health Minister says that vaccine has led to laxity and norms violation, and it is a very dangerous trend. In fact, let's get you the details from the worst hit state of Maharashtra, where we are seeing a massive spike in COVID cases continuously. Situation in this state continues to worsen as the state has recorded over 27,000 cases in the last 24 hours with over 90 deaths. This is the highest single-day figure recorded ever since the pandemic hit the country. Mumbai clocked 2,982 fresh cases, its second highest daily count. Meanwhile, lockdown in Nagpur has been extended to March 31st with separate guidelines for the weekdays and the weekends. And specifically talking about the city of Mumbai, amid a massive surge in COVID cases, the city's civic body, BMC, has come up with a plan to increase testing. Random antigen testing will be conducted across the city. Rapid antigen testing will be conducted at crowded places like malls, railway stations for inbound trains, bus depots, cow gullies, hawkers, marketplaces, tourist places, and also at several government offices. Tests will be carried out without the consent of citizens who are present at these crowded places. If the citizen refuses to take the test, they will be booked under the Epidemic Act 1897. Disha Shah is live with us to give more details. Disha, first of all, give us more details of this particular testing strategy that has been proposed by the BMC, and also tell us what exactly is the purpose of this particular radical change in testing strategy, just randomly testing Mumbaikars at all crowded places.
Well, that's right. In fact, starting tomorrow, in the crowded places, we will see BMC conducting antigen testing randomly. They'll pick, they'll select citizens specifically from the crowded places like malls where we are. Like you're seeing that how people have queued up. So due to the overcrowd that we are looking in such crowded places like malls or markets, bus depots, railway stations, hawkers, cow gullies, and all of these places now BMC have been given targets. So for instance, in malls, in concern, they'll be given targets like to conduct tests at least of 400 people every single day. As far as railway passengers and bus depots are concerned, to conduct testing of at least 1,000 people every single day. So this, of course, move is being taken to curb the spread of the infection, which is particularly coming from the crowded places, is what the BMC says. Second most important point is that at the end of the day, Gauri, it is up to the citizens to maintain the COVID-appropriate behavior, and that is why we are looking at BMC coming up with this strict rule starting from tomorrow. And in fact, BMC also says that without taking a person's consent, they will do about the rapid antigen testing, and the citizens will have to wait for 30 more minutes. And at the end of the day, if their results are positive, then they will have to go about and get themselves institutionally quarantined, or they have to be home quarantined, and then later following process will be done. Gauri.
Right. Thank you, Disha, for sharing all those details. Let's take a look at some more COVID-related stories. As COVID cases surge in the national capital, a huge crowd of shoppers was seen at Sarojini Nagar market in Delhi yesterday. 813 fresh cases were recorded in the national capital in a day. As COVID cases witness an upward trend, one-day lockdown has been imposed in Indore, Bhopal and Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh due to COVID-19 surge. The state government previously announced that lockdown will be imposed every Sunday in the 3 cities until further orders. Despite the state recording staggering COVID cases, preliminary round of civil service exams are being held in the state of Maharashtra. Candidates have been asked to follow COVID norms such as wearing masks and maintaining social distancing at exam centers. As COVID cases rise in the state, police officials from Punjab have intensified its checking to strictly enforce COVID-related guidelines. Those who are found not wearing face mask are being fined by Rs 1,000 and taken to a hospital for RT-PCR COVID test.